Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the very first video of this channel. I'm Jorge, your host, and today we're diving into T-Mobile's 5G home internet and their gateway, the Sagecom Fast 5688W router. So you might be wondering, what is it? Well, T-Mobile's 5G home internet provides you internet access using their 5G network instead of wires and cables. This means no waiting for technicians, no drilling, no contracts. You plug in their gateway, wait a few minutes, and boom, you get Wi-Fi across your house. Super simple. Now let's talk about T-Mobile routers. T-Mobile has a few different gateways in rotation. They have Nokia, Arcadian, Sercom, and Sagecom, each one with a slightly differences. Some of them have external antenna ports, others don't. But in this video, we're focusing on the Sagecom Fast 5688W, one of the newest and most common models. Here is what it's packing. It has Wi-Fi 6, dual band, 2.4 and 5 GHz, Qualcomm Snapdragon X62 modem supporting both 5G and LTE network. It has 2 gigabit internet LAN ports, plus it has 2 USB-C ports. The cache, no external antenna ports, unless you're willing to crack it open and mess with the internal connectors, which is definitely not for everyone. Okay, specifications are nice, but what really matters is real world use. In my case, I got 120 megabytes download and around 7.7 megabytes upload, with roughly 3 bars of coverage where I live. That's a solid for streaming, browsing, video calls, and everyday use. You might see better speeds depending on your location, especially if you're closer to a T-Mobile tower or have a stronger signal in your area. But this is what I got home. This is the speed I got at home. Alright, let's talk about numbers because that's what most people care about. As of August 2025, the yearly plan is $35 per month with auto-pay. That's only if you also have a T-Mobile voice line. If you don't bundle with a voice line, it is about $50 per month standalone. On this screen, you can also see the prices for the other internet plans with and without a T-Mobile voice line. And also, T-Mobile locks the price for 5 years. If you sign up now online, you could get a free MasterCard prepaid gift card. So I personally think this is a great promo that you should take advantage of, especially if you're already a T-Mobile customer. As a customer of T-Mobile, you get 5G home internet for $35 per month, and you also qualify for a free gift card. So that's a good promo right there. Okay, let's move into the T-Life app. This app is basically the brain of your setup because the Fast 5688W doesn't have a web browser interface. Everything is done through your phone. Here's what you can do with it. For setup and activation, the app walks you through unboxing and connecting. You can scan the QR code on the bottom of the router and it pairs instantly. It also has a signal meter that it shows how good is your 5G signal, so you can move the router around to find the best spot. It is always usually better near a window. You can also rename your Wi-Fi, change your password, or switch between 2.4 and 5G GHz radius. You will also have a list where you can see every phone, laptop, or TV connected to your network, and you have the option to block them if needed. You will get alerts about outages, firmware updates, and direct links to T-Mobile support. The downside? You don't get advanced settings like port forwarding, VPN, or splitting 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz into separate networks. Great for most people, but limited if you're a power user. So, bottom line, the Sagecom Fast 5688W is a solid gateway. Just plug it in, connect your devices, and you're online. Just like that. So simple. If you're in a good coverage area, it is a game changer compared to overpriced cable ISPs. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns. And drop your questions in the comments. I'll be hanging out down there, answering. Thanks for tuning into the first video of this channel. See you in the next one.